Believe it or not, a 9/16 flare nut wrench. This is actually a Harbor Freight one. The old ones, they were nice and thick at the piece there. And it works pretty good. Takes it out, no problem. I'm going to be making this line, so okay, now here we go. Removing the lines at the master here. This is the line that I need, the one in the front. Just the smaller of the two, it's for the rear. Here's one of the connectors and one of the separators. I took from the bottom, about right there. I'm going to take it out right here. See, I already got that one loose. Next thing I do is I put should be a 9/16, and as you can see, it came out pretty easy. I'll extradite the line, find out the length, send a dude over to get some copp stuff, and I'll make the line out. This one here is all the way out. It broke in two pieces. You measure everything. Just take a tape measure, tailor tape measure like this. That'll work fine. Go all the way around. You hold it. You go all the way around. You keep going. And you go over the contours like that. And you go all the way around. This one actually measures 81 inches. I'll reuse the flare nuts on it and I'll make the line. Pretty simple. I just gotta take this fitting off of here. You tighten it up nice and tight, and you either ratchet, okay, nice to have this in tight spots. I already measured this, so it will be 81 inches, maybe a little longer, just to give me some room. There you go. Now I got it fitting. I'm going to make just the same exact flare as that. Double flare. Using the original fitting for the rear. Goes to the ABS module. Fitting on the front already done. Already flared. Cut to the 81, 82. As long as give yourself an inch or so extra room just in case. Always deburr the ends before you do anything to them. On the inside and outside. See, so nice and clean. Make sure this is when you're finishing the line. Make sure you put the fitting the correct way. If you're not playing with this twice. Have your die in there. That's the quarter die. Make sure it's facing the correct 45 because it has double-sided one din on one side. Put the turret on operation 1. Lock the die in. All you gotta do is really snug it because you want it to be able to move. So the die will put your tubing right at the right position for it to be done. Then you can snug it even more and it'll hold it in place. Then go to operation 1 for a 1/4 inch. We'll do the first part of the flare. Then go to operation 2. A quarter. And we should be done. Operation 2, quarter. Release the tension. Pull that out, take it away. And there you go. A nice, perfect flare, double flare, ready to go on. Can't be simpler than that. Now I gotta do the bends. Basically what I do is I use the old line, and I'll put the old line up against this one. This is copper nickel. It's very easy to bend. Just take your time and it'll be easy to do. As you can see, it's just like the factory installed it, only it's not cop. You use the flare nut, put it all back. Looks pretty good. Alright, now let's check out the front. Same sort of thing. We reuse the flare nut up there. I bent the lines closely as I could to OEM. All the way down, used all the connectors, all the separators. And there you go. One GM Sliverado now has brakes again. Thanks for watching.